like I'm living in the middle of town.